Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this universal like smoky bronze eye. It's really simple to do that goes with every lip color. So it goes with purple, brown, red, nude, glossy, matte, you name it, it works. I tried on a couple different lip colors so you guys can see how well it looks with different colors. I personally really like this color. This color really makes my hazel eyes pop, so I'm living for it. This is the color Kat Von D in LUV. Living. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on my social media. It's just at Alyssa Sabino, and let's get right on to the video. To start off, I'm going to go and prime my face with the Smashbox Primerizer, and then I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation. That look when you forget your beauty blender right as you start filming? Idiot. So now I'm going in with my cream contour stick by KKW Beauty, and this is in the medium contour number 2, and just draw all over my face to get that sharp Kim K contour. To hide my nasty under eye circles, I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty in number 7 concealer, and then highlight with Kylie Cosmetics Gypsum. To set my face, I'm going to go in with the Peach Perfect Translucent Setting Powder. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. This is the color Puree that we're going to be putting in our crease. I'm going to slowly build up the color to get a little bit of intensity, not too much because we're not going for a super dramatic look. As a base for our lid color, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Supernova eyeshadow in Walk of Fame. Okay, this is the most gorgeous lid color. This is Park Ave Princess by Tarte. It's their paint pot eyeshadow, I'm pretty sure. I started using it with a brush, then I realized, honestly, my finger is just 50 times easier. So I'm going to tightline with my Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner, and then ColourPop Swerve gel eyeliner for my lid. And then we're going to smoke it out with some eyeshadow. So next I'm going in with mascara and lashes, and the lashes I'm using are from Rodase. They are so gorgeous. I have a coupon code in the description box if you want to go check it out. Using my KKW Beauty Contour Kit in medium, I'm going to chisel out that face. Glowing, I'm going to go in with Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics and, go crazy. Okay guys, this is the final result. I hope you love it like I do. It's so easy, but it's so sultry, sexy, and really pops. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.